You can find the greatest common factor by listing factors. So if your first number is 12, we're going to list all the factors of 12. So the first one is 1 times 12. Notice I did the 1 on one side and the 12 on the other because we want to fill in. We're going to work from the outside in. So that's 1 times 12. The second one is 2 times 6. And then our next number is 3. 3 times 4. And there's no number in between there, so we know we are done. So the next one we're going to do is 30. And that's 1 times 30. Next one is 2 times 15. Next one is 3 times 10. And then we can also do 5 times 6. So once there's 5 and 6, there's nothing in between, so you know you're done there. So to find the greatest common factor, all we have to do is look at the ones that are common to both, the biggest one, and our number equals 6.